Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope that all of you good. And today my topic about seventh class mathematics, and now I want to discuss about exercise 4.3, chapter number 4, 4.3, and 4.3, question number 1. Here is the question number 1, and simplify. Question number 1, simplify 2 whole power 7 divided by 2 whole power 2. 2 whole power 2. So how these questions, how question number 1 and question number 2 solve by using exponent rules and exponent laws. So, dear students, now I want to solve the question number 1, and also the question number 2, and other questions also solve here. So I hope that you will understand in easy way, because I want to discuss here the easiest way and method that's average students can understand when he focus on uh, when he or she focus on the topic, and the method that is explained by me here. So now let's start question number 1. Simplify करना है. How to simplify the question number 1 part. Question Now the question number 1. Question number 1, and part number also here. 2 whole power 7 divided 2 power square. No, 2 whole power 7 divided, make fraction, and 2 square. Then you know that 2 whole power 7 is the greater power, and here is the base are the same. Base is the 2 base, and in and denominator in 2 is also a base, and whole power it is a exponent power, and 7 here is the 7. So now to write down the single 2, and make sure that 7 is the power of the 2 of numerator, and subtract from the small power of this denominator. Now the final answer in this way: 2 whole power 7 minus 2. So 2 is the base, and 7 minus 2 is subtract. When you subtract 7 from 2, so here is the answer 5. It is the answer after simplification. It is the answer after simplification of the question number 1, in by using the exponent laws. So now the question number 2 is also, here is the same question method. Question number 2, minus 9 whole power 11 divided minus 9 whole power 8. Now listen, average student, how to solve this question. Divide, and in minus 9 whole power 11 and base, here is the base also same, minus 9, and here is also the minus 9, base is the same. No, base same, divide whole power is divide power 8. No, you have to find the next step, find the solution by doing next step. Here is the base minus 9, and also is the minus 9 base, and when the bases are same, then the powers add are subtracted. No, the step is this: minus 9 is the base, and 11 is the exponent, minus 8. Final answer of this question is that minus 9 and whole power 11 subtracted 8 is 3. So minus 9 whole power is 3. It is the answer of this part. Now the question again, question number Question number three. Question number three. Here is the question number is part. Question number one, part number three. So part number three is this in the question three. Uh, it is a different question from these two questions. It is a different and 5 whole power 4. Dear students, listen now and see the question. What is the difference between these two questions and this question? You know very well, when the bases are same, so we will use this type of method and subtract pars and our exponent add or subtract. But here is the base is the different. Now the base is 3 is a base and 5 is a base. These are the base, and base is the different in this question. So listen and see the question. 3 whole power 4 and divided by 5, or iski quotient is 4. No. Now listen, here is the base is a different, but exponent is the same. When the exponents are same and use this method to solve the question, here 3 over 5 whole power is 4. So now the question, it is the answer of this question when the bases are different but the exponents are same. So you have it is allowed to write the one exponent of the whole value. And again the question number 4, how we will solve it. Question number 4, now listen and watch m cube divided by n cube. Here in this question also the different base is the different, and it is the base and it is a base, and m different. Now write it in this way, m over n, or cube, and here is also cube, and this is the base. This m is the base and here n is the base, but 3 is the exponent and here is 3 is also exponent. Exponents are the same. So now I will write the answer of this question in the one exponent. So it is the law, it is the exponent law, k m over whole that m over n whole power 3. It is the answer of this question. So dear students, it is very easy method if you know about the exponent laws. So after you will find the answer easily if you know about the exponent laws and remember them. So then now is the last now the next question. Question number 5 is this a whole power 7 divided by a whole power 2. No, again the base is the same like question number 1 and 2. Here is the base and here a is the base. No, bases are the same, and a whole power 7 divided by a whole power 2. No, bases here are the bases are same. No, the answer, final answer, a whole power 7 minus here's the power is 2, exponent is 2 and less 2, subtract 7 subtract 2, final answer is a whole power 5. So it is the answer of this question. So dear students, exponent laws based on these rules, okay, when the bases are same and the question the division method, by using division method, and you have to subtract and or add the exponents, subtract the exponent by using this method, by using the exponent laws. And when the bases are different, only one exponent per you have to write. This is the basic structure, basic laws of exponent. And now again we I want to discuss more about this chapter, and here is the question number 10, minus 3 over 10 whole power 3. whole power 17 and divided by minus 3 over 10 whole power 8. Here is the basis in this, in these, in both the values, bases are same, but the exponent are different. So 17 exponent subtract from 8, and this is the final. In this way you have to find the answer of this question. So dear students, here is the question number 2. Prove that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Or no, I want to discuss these questions here. Question number 2. Okay, uh, how you define, how you, sorry, how you calculate or prove left hand side into is equal to right hand side. Now the question number 2. Question number 2, part number 1. 2 whole power 2 exponent 4 divided 7 exponent 4 is equal to 2 or 2 over whole power 4. Now it is the left hand side. This is the left hand side, and here is the right hand side. So you have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side, and 2 whole power 4 divided by 7 whole power 4. Now you have to know, you have to find bases, and you have to see the bases. Okay, what are the bases? Here is the base 2, 2 is the base, and 7 is the base. These bases are different, but exponent are the same. Exponent here is 4, and here is also 4. Exponent are same. So left hand side, and here is the 2 over 7 is the right hand side. Now when the bases are different but exponents are same, you have to write only one exponent. So here is the answer of this question: 2 over 7 whole power 4, and hence it is proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Here is all the parts of questions. All the parts of this question, question number 2, are the same. Here, question number 2, prove that. Question number 2, all parts, is part number 1, part number 2, all the parts of this question, exercise of 4.3, all the same. Other parts, here are also the parts. No, I want to discuss discuss the question number 5 here. No, listen, question number 5. Question number 5, minus 21 over 22 whole power 7 divided by minus 21 over 22 is equal to minus 21 over 22 and power 4. Now listen and watch again, and base, here is the base 20 minus 21 over 22, and minus minus 20 21 over 22. Here is the base, here is the base, and here is the base also. So bases here is bases are this part, left hand side is equal to right hand side. I want to prove here, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Prove. Dear students, now listen. Minus 21 over 22 and divided by minus 21 over 22. This question, base. Here is the base, and here is also the base, and divide minus 21 over 22 and whole divided by here is minus 21 over 22. Here is the base is 7, sorry, exponent is 7, and here is the exponent is 3. Now the minus 21 over 22 whole power is 4. So here is the base. When the bases are same, exponents in division method, exponents subtracted are added. So minus 21 over 22 whole power is 7 minus this exponent, take upside numerator and subtract from 7. Though no, minus 21 over 22 whole power is 4, and then solve this left hand side. Left hand side here is also minus 21 over 22 whole power is 4. It is the final answer of this question, and it is proved, hence it is proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Dear students, I hope that you will understand every step and every question of this exercise. I hope that you will listen and watch all the complete video and find easy way to solve the question. So I hope that you will like this video and share with your friends, and may Allah bless you very much. Allah Hafiz.